Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dan. It's nice to see you again today. How are you today?
Uh, I'm good.
Wow, that's very good to know. And are you ready for the continuation of our lesson today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for this one, this will be the third part of our lesson last time. So we are still in the everyday activities. So the third part will be, what is the third part? It is?
Reading and discussions.
Okay, very good. So we will have a story here. So we will read the story and we will answer some question about the story. So now, can you read this one? All of this one. Okay. So let's start reading the story. Let's first read the title of the story.
Jane talks about her daily activities. Hello, everyone. My name's Jane. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activities. Every morning from Monday to Saturday, I get up at 6 o'clock. After breakfast, I go to school by bicycle. It takes me about 20 minutes from my house to my school. Usually, I study at home until 11:30 a.m. I return home at noon to have lunch with my family. In the afternoon, I play
Four.
sports.
Uh,
I always get home at 7 p.m. after dinner, while my parents watch tel- tele-
Television.
television
Okay.
in the living room. I read books or study in my room. I am free on weekends. On Sundays morning, I often get up late. Then I often go shopping with my friends. Sometimes we go to the movies. On rainy Sundays, I stay at home reading books and listening to music. I am happy with my life.
Okay, very good. So now let's try to read this word again. Let's say lunch.
Lunch.
And this one is often.
Often.
Okay, very good. So now let's talk about Jane's daily activity. So this is about her story about what he or what she does on her daily activities. So now let's have this first question here. Let's answer the first question based on her story. So can you please read the first question that we have?
Um, Shane get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay, very good. So for our question, we have what time does Jane get up? So very good. So Jane get up
At
or
six
gets up
o'clock.
at 6 o'clock. Very good. Good job. And from what day she get up? 6 o'clock.
Monday to Saturday.
Okay, very good. How about the second question? What does she do in the afternoon?
Uh, in the afternoon, she plays sports.
Yes, very good. So in the afternoon, so Jane, or she play sports. How about what does she do after dinner?
Mm, After dinner, she reading book. or study in my room.
Okay, very good. So on the after dinner, after dinner, she read books or study in her
In
room. So very good. So good job. So next one. What does she do on the weekend?
uh, on the weekend, sh- um, she often often get up late.
Good.
Often go shopping with my friends. Uh, go sh-
Or
or go to the movies.
okay, very good. So for this one, we read it as often. So it's
Often,
silent T, often.
often.
Okay, very good. So for this one, so in at weekends or on weekends, such as on Sunday morning, so Jane get up late and she goes to shop with her friends, and sometimes they also go to watch movies on Next. How about on rainy Sundays? What does she do?
On rainy Sundays, she stay at home reading book and listening to music.
Okay, very good. Do you think that Jane is happy with her life?
Um,
Do you think that she is happy with her life?
yes.
Yes, she is happy with her life. So very good. So good job. So that is what Jane do on her daily activities. Now, let's focus more on our highlighted words here. Let's go first with our first word. So what's this one? Daily activities. What do we mean by daily activities? Or can you share your idea about daily activities?
Hmm, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. So how about brushing your teeth? Is it a daily activity?
Yes.
Brushing. Yes. How about
Breakfast.
what?
Have breakfast.
Yes, have breakfast. So it is also one of the things that we do daily. How about taking a bath? Taking a bath. Is it a daily activity?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So when we say daily activities, it is the things that we,
Every day.
okay, so these are the things that we do every day. So we brush our teeth, we eat breakfast, and we take a bath. So that is our usual daily activities. How about this one? Do you have any idea of this word? Return home.
Um,
It's okay. Any idea if what is your understanding with this word return home? After school, do you return home? Dan, do you return home, or do you return to your house after school, or do you go home to your house after school?
no.
Ano? How about what do you do after school?
Um, I I talk with my friend. Uh,
Oh, and you go
uh,
to
talk together.
Oh, and where do you go after school with your friends? Only at school, at your friend's house, or at the park?
Uh, at the park.
Oh, at the park. Okay, so you usually don't return home after school. So you usually talk first with your friends at the park. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. So when we say return home, so it means that we go back. We go back to our house. For example, we go to school, and after we finish our school, after we finish studying, so we return home or we go back to our house. Okay, so that is what return home means, to go back to our house. So next one, this one, play sports. What?
Mm, badminton,
Yes, very good.
basketball,
Badminton, basketball,
baseball,
baseball, very good. What are the sports that you like to play? That.
uh, I play. I like to play badminton.
Oh, badminton. Okay. So for this one, so the sports that you are playing is badminton. So when we say play sports, so like what you have said, it is playing games like badminton, basketball, baseball, or any physical activities that are requires physical activities like this one. Badminton, basketball, baseball, football, or running. So it is playing game. So that is what we mean by play sports. Next, so watch television. Can you tell teacher what is your understanding with the word watch television?
Mm,
It means is watching.
uh, watching TV.
Yes, yes, watching television. Very good. So it means that we are just watching shows, watching news, watching movies on our television. So we are watching using a television. So next, this one, read books. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read book. I reading book. Um, names hạt giống tâm hồn.
Oh, is that a Vietnam book?
Yes.
Oh, what is it all about? Is it like a romance book?
Mm,
Horror book.
forest book.
Oh, it's all about forest.
Yes.
Is it like a story about forest? Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So that is about forest. So so do you like reading books about forest, about nature? Do you like reading those? About
Yes.
forest, about nature?
Mm,
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much. So next, how about this word, get up late?
mm, get a play.
Is waking up,
Um, get a play is waking up.
waking up, waking up
Um,
late. Waking up late. So the opposite of this word is waking or getting up, get up early. So when we say get up late, so we wake up later than what is the time that we usually wake up. Like for example, we usually woke up at 7 o'clock, but at this day we woke up at 9 o'clock in the morning. So in this day, so we get up late because it is already 9 o'clock instead of the usual wake up time that we have, which is 7 o'clock. So that is getting up late. So teacher has a question about this get up late. Do you experience getting up late or waking
Uh,
up later than? What is
yes.
your what? Okay,
I
sure.
get up on the weekend. I get up at 11 o'clock.
Oh, at on the weekend.
Yes.
Oh, what is your usual wake up time? Which is the early time that you wake up?
Mm, um.
What is your wake up time? Like, do you wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock
Um.
in the morning?
On the morning. Um. Um. On Monday. I get up at I get up early at 6 o'clock.
Oh, it's so early, 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so this one, so this time, so it is where you wake up or get up late, and this time is where you get up early. So you wake up early. So this is the meaning of get up late. So we wake up late. So next, this one, go shopping. So do you go shopping with your friends?
Yes.
Yes. What when do you go shopping with your friends? Is it at on the weekends?
On yes, on the weekend.
On the weekends. Oh. And what are the things that you buy when you are
Uh, I buy uh clothes,
oh
shoe,
clothes,
and
shoes?
eat ice
Oh.
cream.
Oh wow. That's very good. So it is with your friends?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good that you have a bonding with your friends. You go shopping with your friends. How about do you also go to the movies or watch movies with your friends at the cinema?
Yes. Sometime I watch movie with my friend.
Oh, what are the usual things that you like to watch with your friends? Uh, do you
Uh,
like do you like to watch romance, horror movies, drama?
Drama.
Oh, okay. So you like to watch drama. Okay. How about this one? When it's rainy, when the weather is rainy, do you often stay at home or you go out?
Uh, on Granny. Um, I stay at home.
Oh, you stay at home. What do you prefer? When it is rainy days, to stay to stay at home or to go outside?
I stay at home.
Oh, you just stay at home. And do you like rainy days?
Mm, no.
No. Why don't you like rainy days?
Because ugly. The street ugly.
Oh, the streets are ugly, or the street is ugly. And what is your favorite weather? Is it sunny day, rainy day, cloudy day,
Uh, I like summer day. Summer.
summer? Oh, uh, what what do you like to do in summer? Do
Um,
you go to the beach with your family?
I go to I travel
Oh, travel.
um to Nha Trang beach.
Oh, oh, is it a beach in Vietnam also?
Ye- Yes.
Oh, that's very good. How about have you tried traveling outside Vietnam?
Mm,
Have you
uh,
tried going have you tried traveling abroad or going outside the country or
uh,
going to a different country?
um, uh, in the future, I want to travel um out country.
Oh, out of the country. What is the country that you like to travel to or that
Mm,
you want to travel to?
uh, uh, Australia.
Oh, Australia. Australia, yes, it's a very good place
Or,
or country.
or the UK.
Or UK, United Kingdom, is that correct? United Kingdom. Wow, that's a very good country because I've if as far as I remember, so in United Kingdom, so those on those or on that country, so we can see those what do you call that? Royalty. So they have a king, a princess. So there is a royalty there. So wow, that's a great country to go to. So thank you very much, Dan, for expressing these ideas to teacher. So good job. So good job in answering these questions and also by expressing your ideas or yourself with this words. So now, so let's have a practice here. So this one. Let's have a practice by what we had learned for this lesson. So, can you like introduce something about yourself other than what you have told teacher before, or like your unique characteristics, or is there anything that you want to share with teacher about yourself?
No.
Ano? How about okay. How about for your what grade are you in right now?
Mm,
Are you in high school?
yes.
Oh, what grade in high school?
Um.
Oh no, I think I lost you. You're not moving. Hello, are you still there?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ah, you don't know. It's okay. How about um in college or which is the highest education? So, do you have what is or what are your plans? What are your plans for college? What major are you taking?
Mm.
Or do you still don't have any plan for
Uh,
college? Oh,
I don't have any plan.
oh, you don't have. How about your dream job? Dream job. What's your dream job?
No.
Oh, nothing. You still don't you are still not decided for what you're taking at college?
Yes.
No.
No.
Oh. Okay. So, are there any things that like interest you that interests you right now? Are there? is, are there or no? Like reading books or like in medical field, in medical field, does this field interest you? Yes or no?
No.
No. What are the other majors in college? Um, in teaching field, like being a teacher. Do you like? Do you want to take this kind of uh, path?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You also want to teach?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good to know. So probably in or at college, you might take a teaching field. Okay, and if ever that you want to be a teacher, what do you want to teach to your students?
Um, I teach um um music.
Oh, music. Wow.
For
That's a very, you like music?
yes.
Wow, that's a very good. So I have a lot of teachers before that are music teachers. So they are very good. So they are very good. So, wow, that's very good to know that. Okay. So next, so we have here some questions that we have already answered. Let's have this one. What do you do before sleeping?
Um, I do study English and math
Oh,
before sleeping.
wow, that's very good that you have time to study English and math before sleeping. How about on the weekend? Aside from shopping with your friends or going out with your friends, what are the other things that you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I I usually um running with younger brother.
Oh, wow. You are running like
Yes.
jogging
No.
or running?
Yes.
Oh, where do you run? Or are
Our
there
our work.
or our work?
Yes. Run and
Oh,
work.
oh, okay. And what time do you usually run with your brother or younger brother on the weekend?
Um. At 5 a.m.
Oh, 5 a.m. Wow, that's so early. Is this one on Saturdays or Sundays?
Teacher again.
Do you usually run with your brother on Saturdays or Sundays?
On Monday.
Oh, on Monday, on weekend. Oh, okay, I see. So this will be on weekdays. How about on weekends? On Saturdays and Sundays, what do you do on
Mm,
Saturdays and Sundays?
I um I do my homework.
Ah, are really you do your homework on the weekends?
Yes.
No, like you don't go out. You don't go out with your family on the weekends?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay, but yes, it's very good that you usually do your homework. But for weekends, we should be like having some free time to ourselves, not only doing homework, because it is more fun to do our homework on weekdays from Monday to Fridays. But on the weekend, if ever that you have free time, you should spend your time on the weekends for yourself so that it will be you will cherish the time because when you like go to college, so your schedule will be very full and you cannot like rest, so enjoy your weekends while you can. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for your sharing your story with this lesson, Dan. So teacher appreciates your effort in expressing your story. So thank you very much. And for this one, so let's go with our wrap up. So do you still remember any of the vocabulary that we have learned last time?
Yes.
What can you tell teacher those words? Only one or two. It's okay.
Mm,
It's all about daily activities. When we wake up.
have breakfast.
Oh yes, very good. Have breakfast. Yes, so that's one.
Sleeping.
Yes, sleeping or go
Go
to
to sleep. Go to
bed.
bed.
Yes, very good. And also for the phrases, do you still remember? To be, to be.
Happy.
Yes, and reading and discussion. So we already tackled all of that. So thank you so much. Oh, we already finished our lesson or unit two, which is everyday activities. So for our next class, so for this one, I think you don't need to do this one. So for next class, so we will have another lesson. So thank you so much, Adan. It's so enjoyable to have a class with you and see you again soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
See you.
Bye bye. Thank you.